We just touched down in Puerto Rico. Woo! Welcome to the Doubletree. Very nice.
Mira, mis amigos, we're gonna be practicing now a little bit of wading river. Not from this side of the world, was brought here during colonial era. This from Indonesia originally, and this main purpose of this plant will be alarm systems. They will plant this around haciendas here in the Caribbean, and the guards will do rounds in their haciendas. And if they notice that this plant reacted in a way, that meant that somebody broke inside the hacienda or somebody was escaping it. This is a plant that uses kinetic energy. Of the Miconia family, and this is what we call Puerto Rican toilet paper when you're in nature. This is one that will cause no infection to human skin, and their family, you see them everywhere in our forest system. And how you can identify this species is because the top of the leaf will always have four major divisions. Miconia family, Camasei in Puerto Rico, no problem. And depending who you are in society, those body paintings have to look insane from head to toe. Concentrated minerals. Así que...
Drink it. Look at that.
Here, like, now we're gonna be with you.